Does paying to promote your TikTok videos hurt your account overall? I'm going to be showing you my experience and what happened. If we take a company like Facebook, earned $36 billion in ad revenue this year. If this was a con, people wouldn't be pumping that much money into adverts. All it would take is a couple of massive creators on the platform talking about it, showing evidence, damage the reputation. Here are the reasons why I think it's damaging the account. First of all, when they pay for their video to get boosted, so if they can hit, right? You know, when you go viral, what goes up comes down. Subsequent videos after underperform, right? They go back to normal. People who are boosting their videos, especially if they're just creators creating content, they don't have a business, right? Content probably wasn't that good in the first place, wasn't getting any reactions, right? People were not engaging, which is why they paid for the view boost. But they haven't addressed the issue of making better content. They try to do a shortcut. The problem is when one of your videos goes viral, which no one talks about this, viral videos or videos with a lot of views can attract a large audience, which is often a less relevant audience. And this reduces the likelihood of conversions and engagement on your future posts for those people. Then is this can sort of damage your content because people who are following you from your viral video and checking out your new content, they're not really interacting with it. And a small percentage of your current followers do see your posts as well when it first uploads. Now you should be really focusing on organic traffic, because if you do organic traffic, number one, it doesn't cost you anything, but also you're always getting people looking for your content drip feeded all the time back in people's minds. Massive difference between decent content copy, sales copy, ad copy. However, from a business perspective, promotions can be a tool, not a fix, and they can be highly effective with a good strategy. For example, if you paid £10 for a video and it gave you 3,000 views and you're promoting a digital product, and then one person or 5 people, 10 people buy a digital product from that advert, that boosted video, then you've made your money back. So you can just print money all the time because you know the exact audience to attract, and they go into a page, they like your thing, buy a product, voila. But then once again, you've got to know exactly who you're targeting and make sure your adverts are going to the right people. What I help people with, by the way. My experience with boosting videos, last year, towards the end of last year, I boosted one of my videos about a digital product. I got 3 viral videos in a row. The best one, 13 million. I've had over 20 million views this year. Yeah, my views have dropped this year on TikTok, but they've dropped for everybody. But I'm still getting people looking at my content, still getting viral videos, especially because I know how to use creative search insights properly. I have to rely on views because I know I'm going to get views eventually, or people looking at my content because I'm creating content people actually want to see. So what I would say about boosting your post is focus on fixing your content first, and use promotions to amplify strong posts or posts which advertise in your products or services if you need to. But it all depends on your goals and your platform. And just because you boost a video for your products or services doesn't mean it's going to reach the right people or get any people, especially if the ad or content copy is poor. So, myth debunked. And if you need a little more help, follow and check out the link in my bio.